Hello, this is my first channel. Subscribe it and like it. So, we are going to do the crunchy channel. So, first up, I got carrots, some pasta, and some cornflakes. So, we're going to see how crunchy they are. Then you have to say something and comment down below and see which one was the crunchiest, okay? Bye. This is now. Starting now. 3, 2, 1. Round 1. We are going to start off with... I'm going to close my eyes and pick one. So, yeah, let's start with the pasta I chose. So, 3, 2, 1, crunch. I just snip it. Round 2. I'm going to close my eyes. Carrot. So, 3, 2, 1. Bite. Delicious. Now, our last one is cornflakes. I'm going to grab some cornflakes. I'm going to eat them. Wait. 3, 2, 1. So good. Okay. I need more. Some more. Look how crunchy. So delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye.